Hey everybody, it's Nicole from Cause We Love to Scrap, and today I'm going to be making a video for SpiegelMom Scraps. This is for the collab with Happy Studios. There we go. That's the layout that I'm going to make, and I am using, I just got a brown wood background, and then I'm going to be using bits and pieces from the Scrappin Happy Studio, and it is for a digital collection that they have. It's a crafty digital collection, and as you can see here, I printed it about 8x8. I do not have a 12x12 printer. I just have an 8.5 by 11, so that's how it printed. And then I'm just going to distress the edges and put it down. I was thinking about putting it wonky, but I decided to just put it straight. And then this stripy paper is also with the collection. I am a big fan of this stripy collection. The stripy paper. I liked the polka dotted paper because it has all the different colors in it as well, and it just makes me happy. So I'm going to pop up this stripy paper, which I printed the same size, I think 8x8-ish. And then I tore the bottom part to give it some interest. And I'm just going to pop it up here. I had done some of the work before recording. I printed out all of the little cut apart pages, and I actually cut them apart. So I did all the fussy cutting beforehand. Fussy cutting is one of those things that I just can do, and I'm scrapbooking and I'm just doing it. So I kind of like it. I think it's fun. I don't know about fun, but I think it's relaxing. So here I'm going to add my photos. I'm going to stick one of them down with double-sided tape, and then I'm going to pop up the other one. I think when I'm watching this, I think that I made a mistake by distressing the edges of one of my photos, but not the other one. That's okay. It is how it is. Turns out great anyways, in my opinion. These pictures are some photos of my daughter when we were doing spring break. We were in spring break, and she had the wonderful idea to make scones and kind of perfect a recipe that she had. So she is making scones here. I'm going to go ahead and add some of these cut aparts now. I'm going to add the little journal notebook and the florals and leaf cluster thingy. I'm going to distress all of their edges as well, as you can see here. And then in the lower left corner, I'm going to put a little kind of like a tag coming out of the bottom. You'll see in a second. And a heart. And then up towards the top of the stripy paper, I'm going to add a ticket and another tag type label tag. Anywho, you'll see what I'm talking about in a second as well. And I'm just gonna let you watch this for now. I'm gonna pop in with some details in a bit. I have some brown alphas that they're actually like wood grain alphas that I brought out from my stash, and I'm going to use them to say or write baking. And then I'm going to use some like coral foam stickers from Simple Stories. Both of these alphas I got in kits from my Not Just for Boys Kit Club. And for the foam ones, I'm going to say fun. So baking fun is going to be my title. Now I'm going to add my journaling. On that little note card, I say that face though, because she's kind of giving me the side eye look, like, why are you taking my picture? And then I'm going to add down here that Sunita was baking during spring break. And up on the ticket, I'm going to write March 2022. So here are the gorgeous Scrappin Happy sequins that match with the digital collection from Scrappin Happy Studios. Of course, these are from SpiegelMom Scraps, and they are absolutely gorgeous. They have such great colors in them. They're beautiful. Anyway, as you can see, I just used the pouring technique where I pour it out and then I glue them down, which I did off camera with my art glitter glue. I'm gonna leave you with some close-ups. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.